You see these are modes.
Yes.
And if you hold down the tear button... Oh, I should start from the beginning so you can see how I got it.
Start from the beginning.
So you're going to start by holding down the power button.
Yes.
And then it's going to say set here in a second. And you're going to tap tear.
Okay.
And it's going to take you into your settings mode. You can adjust the sleep timer. You can adjust the brightness, battery saving features, the unit. And if you keep going, you get to mode 1.
Okay.
All the way through mode 6. And this is just going to be how you turn off different modes. Long press the T to access the sub menu.
That's revolutionary.
It is. Yeah, no, it is. It really is.
Because you know when you have 6 of them and I'm like, oh god, it's like.
I absolutely do. I mean, so we, several of us here work in the Portland Repair Center, and 2 things that we're always trying to get out there is that A, if your scale breaks, send it to us. We'll fix it. Don't, we want these to be a buy for life.
Is there a time limit?
Nope. There's a time limit to how long things are going to be warranty covered, but if you send it in to us, we will repair it for you. We'll communicate if it's too much damage. We have refurbished scales. Like, we have options to take care of it.
Gotcha.
And one of the things that we do when we get these is we like to communicate with customers and be like, hey, are you using all these modes? Do you only want a couple of these modes? Because they're
I love it.
Designed to work for what you need.
That makes the show worthwhile.
Yeah, right. 100%.
That $350 had to go for something.
Like there we go. Eases your workflow at home. That's the goal.
Yeah. Sweet, man. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Phil.